Top 5 Most Beautiful Mountains in the World revealed. 1. Mount Everest stands tallest with breathtaking snow-capped peaks and vast Himalayan views. 2. Matterhorn's sharp, pyramid-shape captivates with dramatic Swiss alpine scenery. 3. Mount Fuji's symmetrical cone and cherry blossoms create iconic Japanese beauty. 4. Dolomites boast striking jagged limestone cliffs glowing in golden sunset light. 5. Patagonian peaks offer rugged wilderness with glaciers and turquoise lakes. Subscribe now for more stunning natural wonders and adventure insights.